Model, 68-plate Iveco Daily 35S14H 1900 with B4100 automatic X long wheelbase, fridge panel van 110k miles no VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 110390. MOT, the 24th of November 2024. Engine, 2287 cc F1 AGL411JC. Transmission, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. This starts and drives brilliantly. Very well maintained vehicle. Super clean grin. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, immaculate, well looked after. Pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features, 0 former keepers, full service history, 2 keys, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.